Where in the United States, if you're living and going outdoors in certain areas, where are these areas, Dr. Tom, that people should be on highest alert to be aware of the likelihood of getting a tick and then getting Lyme disease from it?
Yeah, I mean, certainly, I think for forever the Northeast and the mid-Atlantic states have been way up there in the cases. Really well known. The people throw around the stats that 95% of the Lyme disease is in the Mid-Atlantic and New England states. The other thing, though, that we're seeing that's really important to understand is that we're seeing California has more, even Arizona. A lot of these other areas of the especially the 48 contiguous states, all of these are areas where you could get Lyme disease. Where the upper Midwest is becoming more of a hotbed. And as we see global climate change more, we see more and more landscape changes because as we develop things. Basically, the more and more we develop wooded lands, the more edge we create, so that we're creating more and more and more habitat for deer, for mice, for chipmunks, and for ticks. So it is spreading. And so I think my biggest concern is for the people outside of the Mid-Atlantic and New England states, because it seems like their guard is a little bit lower. And certainly, like I said, upper Midwest and, California are certainly becoming big hotbeds. But, we're even starting to see things, trickling into a lot of the other states. I mean, certainly the whole Pacific has a fair amount of reported Lyme as well. And every year it seems to be spreading.